The course is broken down into 8 sessions, looking at a simple introduction to astrology and something called the angles. Then we begin to look at the 4 main building blocks of astrology: the planets, the signs of the zodiac, the houses, and the aspects. They're the 4 main building blocks. Because there is so much in the lesson on the signs of the zodiac, it's been broken down into one session purely on the signs and a second session on the elements and the qualities of those signs. So we've got the 4 main building blocks: planets, signs, houses, and aspects. Then in the 7th session, we put it all together in a process called synthesis. And at that point, you will be able to give a simple interpretation of a horoscope. The last session on transits and progressions, these are 2 techniques that are used to look at where the planets are at a point after the birth, relative to the birth, to be able to say the types of events that would be taking place in that person's life at that time. This is the horoscope of the beginning of the recording of this course. For some of you, this might be the first time you have ever seen a horoscope. And we're going to look at the 4 components. Around the very outside, in this very outside ring, these symbols are the signs of the zodiac. Just inside that ring are the symbols of the planets and other heavenly bodies such as Chiron. You can see that this chart is divided up into 12 sections, and they are numbered here in this ring from number 1 round to number 12. And these sections are called the houses. The houses relate to particular areas in our life. And then the lines in the middle indicate angular interactions between different planets. So in this diagram, we have the signs, the planets, the houses, and the angular interactions, which are called the aspects.